Hi guys, I'm Mark from STM. A little bit about me, I'm a party freak and sort of a who's who on local fashion blogs. Today I'm here to show you guys how STM's Dux, this incredible case that sports reinforced corners, a transparent back, and a magnetic closure, can protect your iPad from 26 consecutive drops from 4 feet and keep your iPad completely flawless. Have you ever heard of this thing called the military? The Dux passes their drop test. We're not goofing you. I'll show you right now.
You don't need those for this.
My stage, my rules. Let's begin. And that's why STM Dux is the smarter choice for your device.
That outfit is the opposite of a smart choice. Why would you wear that to work? Is that the same suit you wore to prom? Do you have a birthday party magician gig after work today? I could use some more breast sticks over here.
It's called fashion, Sully. You never even accepted my friend request.